Entering the weekend of the 4th, there were several intentionally and accidentally triggered slides on surface hoar buried 6 to 18 inches in the southern whitefish range. Riders reported numerous audible collapses, yet other parties reported no signs of instability on nearby terrain.
Most pits revealed a faceted crust, but no surface hoar. We took a closer look at a slide intentionally triggered by a skier Tuesday, February 1st. This occurred at a northerly aspect and failed on a layer of buried surface hoar. We encountered 3 experienced skiers who had just triggered a slide on the same layer, 16 to 18 inches below the surface, also on a northerly slope. Besides this avalanche, my partner and I did not see any other signs of instability, such as cracking or collapsing. As the surface transitions from loose, low-density snow to more of a slab, we recommend avoiding convexities and continuing to practice safe travel techniques.
The presence of an overlying slab was a key factor regarding the instability.
So we're becoming more heads up on, all the way around the compass. However, in areas that does not have a thick or hard enough slab, we're less concerned about this problem propagating and causing an avalanche.
So yes, weak layers of surface hoar and faceted crust exist on all aspects. The biggest variable throughout the forecast area is whether a slab exists or not. We reaped the rewards today by finding an area where surface snow is still soft and cohesionless. However, a few miles to the southeast today, this large avalanche was reported. Keep your eyes out for signs of instability and have safer alternatives planned in case you do.
The slab came as blustery conditions and warmer temperatures helped consolidate the low-density surface snow. As wind speeds elevated on Friday and Saturday, the avalanche danger rose to considerable. Early this week, observers reported a freezing rain crust up to 6,800 feet in parts of the Swan, Whitefish, and Flathead ranges. As the week went on, loose wet avalanche problems started to appear at low and middle elevations, with increasing temperatures and solar input as high pressure took hold to the west of our area. Several reports of large slides in the last few days have resulted from cornice failure onto the slabs below. For example, a D3 avalanche was reported on an east-facing slope in the Flathead Range on Monday. The outlook for this weekend calls for sunscreen. Continued sun and warm temperatures are forecast, which will help the upper snowpack settle further and consolidate. The warming will strengthen buried weak layers and slowly diminish the persistent slab avalanche problem. The threat of wet avalanches is diminishing, but may remain a hazard as well. Good indications of the development of wet loose avalanches are roller balls on the surface and sticky snow on your skis, board, or machine. Continue to make good terrain choices and practice safe travel techniques. Please read the avalanche forecast this week at flatheadavalanche.org.